Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Alright, so this should be a real easy drain and fill 2018 Jeep Wrangler. I don't know why every differential doesn't have a drain plug and a fill plug, but they don't all. But this one does. There's a drain plug and a fill plug and a fuel or a level fluid level plug, so same thing. So we'll just be taking this out. Try to take this out too. Just using a 3/8 ratchet. Got the nice square drive at the end that fits. You don't need to use the extension, but I just am. There's that plug. You just check the level. It needs to be level with the bottom of the hole. Got some fluid on there, so level's okay. Don't see any leaks. And just take this plug out. Ooh, pretty silvery. So we'll just let this drain. When it's done draining, I'm going to spray some brake clean in here and probably in here. Let it run out, flush it a little bit. Then we'll just put the plug back in here, and then we'll pump 80 W90 fluid in here. We'll probably get like a 1 or 2 quart squeeze bottles and squeeze it in. It also asks for 4 ounces of a friction modifier, so we have that here. We'll squeeze it in first, and then boom. We'll be done. We'll let it drain and plug it up. Alright, so we put the plug back in, tighten it down. If you have thread sealer available, you can certainly put some on the threads. Tape or putty is fine on that. But I've done it plenty of times without putting anything on there, without any leak issues. So this is synthetic, but you can get a bottle of this with 80 W90. Comes with a nice tip. You can squeeze the fluid in. Put our Spicer 4 ounces of additive, and I filled that with 80 W90 and squeeze it more in just to get a little more out of it. We just have our bulk container, and we're just going to pump away. Hopefully it won't shoot out at me. We're just going to pump away until it starts to run out the hole. When it runs out the hole, then it's full. Then you can put the other plug back in and tighten it down, and that will be replacing or draining and filling your rear differential on your 2018 Jeep Wrangler. If you crawl underneath your Jeep product and you see a drain plug on this rear differential, and maybe the front, I haven't looked at it, but then this is certainly a video that will work for you. So just a few more pumps. Here we go. Fluid's starting to come out. There we go. We'll let it drain out a little bit until it kind of starts to dribble out, and then we'll put the plug in, tighten it down. Nice and easy job for you. Good luck to you.